trench into treehouse on top of
I know.
Lead your shots, guys, because there's bullet speed.
I'm like, you are going to accidentally throw up.
I can do it on command, bitch.
I know, so can I. Alright, we need cannon people over here. So if you want to man the cannon...
Oh wait, there's 2
Hey, hold
trenches
on.
underneath.
That's right, mine was better than yours. Now, what do you mean?
Guys, this is the wrong trench. The forward one, the one that's at that trench.
Alright, just get in this trench up here. We're not moving past this trench. Just stay here. We're gonna hold this trench.
Oh my god!
Whoa, that was beautiful. Bravo. I love that.
You hear
Good job.
me?
I heard that. That shit was wild. You was going to heaven and shit.
I need you to clip that. I need to hear that.
So clip that. Wait, hang on. What's the NVIDIA clip thing? How does that work? It's like, oh my god, what is it? It's like,
Wait, Geisen.
C, I think.
no, it wasn't on.
Oh, someone
Dyson.
clipped it already.
Geisen.
No, guys, I'm moving to the floor. Come back. We're not taking that trench. Come back.
Geisen.
What is the trench here we could take?
I don't know.
Remember
We're not
you-
taking it though.
Remember
Oh,
what you
okay.
did with Jax in my race? Do that again.
Holy fuck,
should do
I'm
it
crying.
No, wait.
Yeah.
Actually, should I
Guys,
come in
I
there?
actually have a fucking tear in my eye.
Guys, move away from the fort. Like, come on. This shit's about listening. If you can't listen, you're just gonna fuck at the